Hi, this is Ed Brannigan from International Coatings. Today we're going to demonstrate how to do a simple discharge print. The bucket on the left is the discharge base, which is a carrier for the activator, which is the bucket on the right. Now, the activator is called zinc formaldehyde sulfate, and it's been the subject of a lot of myth and a lot of misunderstanding over the years. People are afraid to use it. It used to be a lot worse than it is today. The fumes were very strong, it was very toxic. It still is, and you got to be careful when you handle it. Always wear gloves. It is a water-based system. It's a straightforward mix 4 to 6% of the powder activator into the base. Make sure it's mixed up very, very well. How discharge works is the activator discharges the dye of the shirt and returns it to the natural colour of the cotton was after it was processed. In fact, cotton is not white when it's processed. It's actually a natural colour, and it's bleached to make it white. Don't bleed the fumes or the powder part in. And once it's mixed in and you're ready when you're working with it, it's better to wear gloves, like I said. If you get it on your skin, just wash your hands promptly and get it off, and everything should be fine. Discharge can be tinted colours, but we're not going to cover that in this video. We'll cover that in a later one. It's very easy to print. As you can see, the viscosity is pretty low, so it's easy on the arms for a hand printer, and for an automatic machine, obviously that's not going to be a problem. The activator needs to be mixed in really, really well for it to be more effective. Here we used a 110 mesh. We need one pass. You can use higher mesh counts. It gives you a softer print, sometimes a more faded look if that's what people are looking for. But what I want to demonstrate today is a full 100% discharge. You can also have it more faded by putting less activator in. Start with 2%, and it will give you. It won't look as bright, but it's great for achieving a washed out or vintage look. Now, as you can see, you can't hardly see it on the shirt. It's water based, so you can see right through it. Remember that it is water based ink, so you must manage it in the screen. Be careful for drying, especially for people who work and live in hot climates with low humidity. Now, as you can see, it's very bright. There's no black dye left in that shirt at all. It's been completely discharged. One thing to remember about discharge, it's very important, is that once you activate the base, the shelf life is diminished. You have about 8 to 12 hours, so never mix more than you actually need to run your production with.